What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So check this out. Alright guys, so we got the valve, new valve, we got the lapping tool, and we got the compound. I was trying to get the little compressor thing, but they were sold out of the compressor thing, so I wasn't able to get that. But I do have the important stuff. Let's just get the head off of that. Before I try and do this, I'm gonna just take some brake cleaner and clean inside of it right quick. That way it's all cleaned out. Alright, so I got the new valve, and we're just going to take some of, I guess, this compound. This is me trying to lap the valves here, guys. So I'm going to take some of this compound stuff. Okay, so now say you're supposed to take this and then put it around the valve like this. That's probably too much. And then you're supposed to take this and then stick this inside of here. Then you're supposed to take the valve and stick the valve back inside. And then I guess we're supposed to take these. Now I guess we're supposed to take these little suction cup thingies. Little suction cup thingies, and put it in there and pretty much just like grind away until there's no more like chicky noise. And I don't know, I guess it's supposed to be good. So let's just and I guess you're just supposed to go like this until there is no more of that noise. This suction cup really does suck. I mean, I think I did a good job. I did it to like the sound of the grinding pretty much went away, and I just need to clean it. Really clean it, but I think it seats pretty well. I'll show you. So I think it has a pretty good seating now. Drop a comment and let me know what you guys think. Now, for the fun task of putting the valve springs and keepers back in. I swear I could have did that by hand though. I don't know, that's just me, but alright, so I'll start there. I got some pieces of wood under the bottom of it, so that way when I do push it down, the spring, the valve does not push down any further than that. So it's pretty much, it's not being pushed down at all, pretty much. So now let's just take the springs. I did clean them off, so they're all clean. Oh, now not anymore. Hilarious. All right, all clean again. So let's just take the big one, big one in first, then take the small one, and now we need the top part, and then we're gonna take the top part and sit it right there, like so. And there are the keepers. Now let's find. So this time I just want to see if it will work with a spark plug socket. So the spark plug socket fits around there perfect. I've seen a couple other people say a spark plug socket, so I'm gonna try the spark plug socket. We got some tape shoved inside of it, and the valve keepers are right here. So we just take a valve keeper, face in, just like that. Put it on top and like that, and give it a whack, and the valve should stay in. And just like that, they are in there and seated again perfect. And this is my beat a valve ass rock right here. I beat a valve with this rock. I'm sorry, that's hilarious. But yeah, that valve's in. Now, here's the ultimate. Let's flip this over and let's see if the valve actually stayed in place. I took a quarter and put a quarter under the bottom of it with a block of wood, and let's just see if it stayed in place. And there is the quarter that I used right there, and the valve is seated perfectly. It's actually seated better than all the rest of the valves are. So yeah, that's perfect. So I should run good compression now. So I was watching the game and I went cleaned that. So I just I cleaned it and I went ahead and let it dry. So everything is all cleaned out on the inside of it. I took the caps off too and cleaned inside of it. So everything's all clean now. I'm just going to take the valve and not the valve. Now I think I want to clean the bottom of it too, since I have it out, and I need to put the cams back in it. And then I've already cleaned here, but I'll go ahead and wipe it down one more time and hit it with some brake cleaner just to be 100% sure. And then I'll put it back in time, put the head back on it, and we should be good to go. So I did go ahead and put assembly lube on everything too. So everything does have assembly lube on it, and let's just put the rockers back in it and move forward.
Don't know how it's supposed to be, but I can feel you turn me around. If love can go sideways, look back at me and I won't let you down. I couldn't find what I was missing in the open sea. I saw so many sharks out where I'm fishing, but maybe you're the one for me. The only good thing I see is
Alright, so I managed to get everything back together. I even put these little lines on it right there just so I know where the timing is. I did it for the whole thing, but yeah, the cover's on it, so I go ahead and I don't know, but it feels a little rough to me. It doesn't feel as easy as it did before, but it's still easy, but it doesn't feel like as easy as it first did. sake of me messing everything up, I just went and got some oil, and I'm gonna pour some oil in here. Alright, so I got everything hooked back up now. And I'm just about to hook the battery up and try and go ahead and compression test it. And see what happens. All or nothing here. Oh! Yo, it may not be super high, but she made compression, and that's all that matters to me. I'm about to hit it again and see if I can make it come a little bit higher, like up into the 100s a little bit, because everything is new, so it should reach a little bit higher than what it is. But she made compression. So she stayed about 90. That's where she sits at. So she sits about 90. Either way, I'm happy that she made compression. I think that's bad compression. I think it needs to be a lot higher than that. But it's getting dark on me and I'm running out of light. So I guess that's where we will sit at for now. I have some things to do tomorrow, so I might not be able to get out here. So, hey, she made compression. I'm super happy about that. That means I did 2 things right. So, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember, guys, have an awesome day. One last look before I put it away. Oh, I can't wait till you are up and running.